Hello everyone.
Let's learn some colors. Red color, orange color, yellow color, dark green color, dark blue color, purple color,